The Kalstein Medical ECG Machine 12 Derivations 6-channel is an advanced diagnostic tool designed for accurate heart monitoring in hospitals and clinics. The ECG machine features sensitivity 2.5 to 20 mm per millivolt, frequency response 0.05 to 150 Hz, noise level less than 15 microvolts, powered by AC 100 to 240 volts. Heart monitoring ideal for detecting abnormal heart rhythms and assessing chest pain causes in hospital settings, private practice and emergency scenarios requiring timely accurate readings. Integrated thermal printing system with paper speed 12.5, 25 and 50 mm per second, supporting 80 and 120 mm paper rolls. 7-inch graphic LCD touchscreen offers user-friendly navigation and comprehensive ECG analysis capabilities, supporting multiple automatic and manual recording modes for complete diagnostics. Simultaneously gathers 12 lead ECG signals providing real-time insights into patient heart condition, with defibrillator protection circuit and input impedance greater than 50 megohms. Manufactured in France with premium quality materials, every Kalstein equipment is engineered to deliver guaranteed performance, exceptional robustness and true French excellence worldwide. Explore the complete Kalstein ECG digital electrocardiograph catalog. Precision, reliability and innovation for every cardiac diagnostic need. Visit kalstein.net and bring science to life.